spend their entire life contributing to the society. Towards the end of their life, they decided that they want to cross the boundary of life and death and keep contributing to Hong Kong society.
先要好多謝佢哋屋企人同埋捐贈者自己，可以將呢啲咁珍貴嘅 resources 俾我哋呢啲醫學生用嚟教學同埋學習嘅用途啦。咁我覺得係非常之應該要珍惜咯。
Happy New Year and welcome to your first ever experience with dissection. This is the first dissection in your life as a medical professional. And this is a special day because we consider the first dissection, the first encounter with real human body. I still remember first time of dissection. And that impression still in my mind, and that ultimately made me who I am. So I hope the dissection experience, especially this first experience, will register and make you a better version of yourself, and in the future a better doctor.
The great body teachers, just like you and me, they have their families and friends, they have their loved ones, and they have their lifelong story.
They spend their entire life contributing to the society. Towards the end of their life, they decided that they want to cross the boundary of life and death and keep contributing to Hong Kong society. That is how noble, how respectful our great body teachers are.
By experience this, our students will be treating their first patient in their medical career, and they will be inspired by the great sacrifice from our great body teachers.
Cadaver need to always be treated the highest respect and highest dignity. I want you to think as a professional.
我做咗咁多年，咁每次接觸到大體老師嘅身體咧，其實我都嘅感覺到咧，佢哋有一顆好暖嘅心嘅，因為佢哋嘅無私奉獻咧，我哋先至有大體老師可以俾到醫科生做解剖啦，俾到在職嘅醫生做一啲練習啊，都會提供咗一個機會留低喺度完成一個大體老師嘅心願。因為我哋嘅職責其實就係做一個過程，令到大體老師嘅身體係適合做解剖。咁我哋嘅職責就係做呢個過程咧，亦都好有意義。每位老師嘅家屬當然亦都有自己嘅心情，好似曾經有啲個案就係話佢哋過咗身嘅親人啱啱喺接近送嚟大學日子係有個生日嘅日子，咁我哋都好人性化地咧就容許佢喺我哋個大學嗰個門口位啦，咁啊做一啲蜜土啊，咁啊做一個儀式。咁另外我亦都收啲個案咧，太太係捐贈者啦。佢先生係執行人，咁隔咗1年之後咧，咁先生亦都過咗身，咁亦都會捐嚟俾我哋香港大學。好希望做到一樣嘢，就係佢哋夫妻可以一齊送走去合作，一齊火化。咁我哋都好開心咁做到一件咁嘅事嘅。咁其實我哋盡量希望滿足到大體老師，佢做完一個咁嘅無私奉獻，亦都得到應該去得到一個尊重，亦都令到佢哋家人覺得一件事係完美嘅。做一個大體老師嘅捐贈係大家會得益嘅開心嘅事。
先要好多謝佢哋屋企人同埋捐贈者自己，因為佢哋都要花咗好大嘅決心或者思考過好耐，先至會去落呢一個決定。有呢啲大體老師係真係唔容易嘅，而可以將呢啲咁珍貴嘅 resources 俾我哋呢啲醫學生用嚟教學同埋學習嘅用途啦。咁我覺得係非常之應該要珍惜咯。喺某一個程度上，即係佢哋捐贈咗俾我啦，咁延續緊佢哋生命嘅意義。